Welcome to the Maker Hub, everybody. My name is David Strout. I am the manager down here. If you haven't been down here before, we're on the first floor of Lao, and we have really neat equipment like a wood shop, 3D printers, a laser cutter. But let's take a little tour and hear from some of the student volunteers who work in the Maker Hub.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a junior and I'm a volunteer here at the Maker Hub, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about vinyl cutting. So we use this software here on this computer and a Cricut type machine to cut out these wonderful stickers that you put on transfer tape and you can stick anywhere. I tend to put them on my water bottle. We have all these fun, I'm from California, keeping it close to home, and this pumpkin here. So come in and make some stickers with us.
Hi, my name is Noah. I'm a senior and I'm a volunteer at the Maker Hub. This is our textile station where every volunteer makes their apron when they start out. We have sewing machines, embroidery machines, and sergers, as well as tons of supplies including fabric, embroidery, knitting, and crochet tools. So you can come by to make your own project or even to work with a piece of fabric or clothing you already have.
My name is Kelvin, and welcome to my favorite station, the laser cutter. I've been here at the Maker Hub for a whole 4 years. By the way, I'm a senior, and I love this station. Here's why. Over here we can do all sorts of cool stuff like cut wood or acrylic, and we can do stuff like this. Each and every single volunteer, when they get their laser safety training, gets to cut their face into a piece of wood and add cool shapes and their names. You get to see a lot of cool stuff when you come over here, so if you ever come down to the Maker Hub, come over here and find out more.
Okay, well, hello there. My name's Day. I'm a junior here. And right behind me is the lovely 3D printer section. We have an assortment of different printers here, but let me tell you about what I'm working on. Right here in my hand, I have this nice fidgety gyroscope thing, and what it actually does is it glows in the dark, and it was made with a material we call PLA. The printers behind me here, they use an assortment of different materials, but they usually use what I use for this thing here. They work like hot glue guns, so we call them FDM printers. Just a great section overall, highly recommended. Come and 3D print what you'd like.
Hi, I'm Deborah. I'm a junior and I'm a volunteer at the Maker Hub. And so behind me is the print shop. A lot of people come here to do like book binding, but mostly lino cutting. So that's cutting out designs onto these pieces of linoleum. And so here's some that I've made. I made a flower and then some mushrooms. And then after you cut out the design, you can use ink to make stamps. And so here's just one that I made with the flowers.
Hi, my name's Joe. I'm a second-year master's student here in the Georgetown CCT program, and I'm a volunteer in the Maker Hub. I was just working on a small electronics project at our small electronics station. This is a solar-powered battery. We've got all sorts of kits for small projects like this. We have Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and lots of soldering equipment. So if you've got a small electronics project or need help getting started with one, we can help you out.
My name is Shivani. I'm a sophomore and I'm a volunteer at the Makers Hub. I'm currently attempting to make a shelf for my sister, but people have made so many cool things here, from clocks to tables to serving trays. And we have a bunch of equipment like hand planes and sanders and drills, as well as the miter saw that you can come and check out, and we'll teach you how to use.
As you've seen, we have some amazing volunteers here in the Maker Hub. To learn more about our space, you can visit our website or check out our social media. And I hope to see all of you down here real soon.